Welcome to the world of AI, where you can turn cutting-edge technology into cold, hard cash. In today's Money Making Pals video, we are going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool, to earn $100 per hour without spending a dime. That's right. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time gig, or just a way to make some extra cash, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money using ChatGPT, even if you have zero technical experience. Watch until the end, as I always save the best for last. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any money-making opportunity. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly answer one important question. What exactly is ChatGPT? In simple terms, ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the prompts that you give it. It can write essays, answer questions, create marketing copy, and even help with coding. The best part? You can use it for free on platforms like OpenAI's websites or via various third-party integrations. One of the easiest and most lucrative ways to start earning money with ChatGPT is by offering freelance writing services. Whether it's a blog post, article, product descriptions, or social media content, there's a huge demand for quality writing online. And guess what? ChatGPT can do most of the heavy lifting for you. First things first, you need to set up a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms connect you with clients who are looking for writing services. When setting up your profile, make sure to highlight your writing skills and mention that you use AI tools to enhance your productivity and quality. This can be a unique selling point that sets you apart from the competition. Next, it's important to find your niche. Specializing in a specific area like technology, health, finance, or lifestyle can make you more attractive to clients looking for experts in those fields. ChatGPT can help you quickly produce content in your chosen niche, even if you're not an expert, by generating well-researched and coherent text. Now comes the fun part, creating content with ChatGPT. Let's say a client asks for a 1,000-word article on the benefits of remote work. All you need to do is provide ChatGPT with a detailed prompt, and it will generate a draft for you in seconds. You can then edit and refine the content to match the client's tone and style, making it your own before delivering it. And when it comes to pricing, you can easily charge $50 to $100 per hour depending on the complexity of the project and your level of expertise. If you're using ChatGPT effectively, you can complete multiple projects in a single hour, significantly boosting your earnings. Always aim to deliver high-quality work. While ChatGPT can generate content quickly, it's your job to ensure that the final product is polished, accurate, and meets the client's requirements. Satisfied clients are more likely to leave a positive review and become repeat customers, which means more money in your pocket. Social media management is another lucrative area where you can use ChatGPT to earn $100 per hour. Businesses of all sizes need help managing their social media accounts, creating content, and engaging with their audiences. With ChatGPT, you can streamline these tasks and deliver exceptional results for your clients. Start by offering content creation services. ChatGPT can generate creative and engaging posts for platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Simply input the client's requirements, and ChatGPT will come up with multiple post ideas, captions, and even hashtags. You can then schedule these posts using a social media management tool like Hootsuite or Buffer. Another way to use ChatGPT is by managing community engagements. Responding to comments, messages, and reviews can be time-consuming, but ChatGPT can help you craft thoughtful and personalized responses quickly. This keeps the client's audience engaged and satisfied, leading to better brand loyalty and more opportunities for you. ChatGPT can also assist in planning and executing social media campaigns. Whether it's a product launch, a seasonal promotion, or a brand awareness campaign, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas, write copy, and even create campaign strategies. The AI can help you craft compelling ad copy, email marketing content, and social media posts that drive results. Pricing for social media management services can vary widely, but you can easily charge $100 per hour or offer packages deals for ongoing management. Given the time you'll save using ChatGPT, You can manage multiple clients simultaneously, maximizing your earning potentials. Another great way to earn $100 per hour with ChatGPT is by creating content for blogs and websites. High-quality, SEO-optimized content is in high demand, and ChatGPT can help you produce it quickly and efficiently. Start by offering SEO services. You can use ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly blog posts that rank well in search engines. Simply input the target keywords and topic, and ChatGPT will generate a well-structured, informative article that's ready to publish. You can even use it to create meta descriptions, headings, and alt text for images. Long-term content like in-depth guides or comprehensive reviews is particularly valuable for websites. ChatGPT can help you create these lengthy articles without the usual time investment. By breaking down the content into sections and feeding specific prompts to ChatGPT, you can quickly generate detailed, high-quality articles that attract traffic and boost a website's SEO performance. Ghostwriting is another profitable avenue. Many businesses and individuals need content written in their name, but don't have the time or skill to do it themselves. With ChatGPT, you can offer ghostwriting services for blogs, ebooks, and even social media content. The AI generates the bulk of the content, and you polish it to ensure that it meets the client's voice and standards. Pricing for blog and website content can be based on either word count or hourly rates. Depending on your expertise and the complexity of the content, you can charge anywhere from 10 cents to 50 cents per word, or set an hourly rate of $50 to $100. By using ChatGPT, you'll be able to produce content faster, meaning that you can take on more clients and increase your income. Another powerful way to make money with ChatGPT is by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. The demand for online learning has skyrocketed, and digital products are an excellent source of passive income. ChatGPT can help you create these products with ease. Start by planning your course or ebook. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics, create outlines, and organize your content. For example, if you're creating a course on digital marketing, ChatGPT can help you break down the material into manageable modules, each with its own lessons and objectives. The same goes for ebooks. ChatGPT can generate a chapter-by-chapter outline to keep your content structured and engaging. Once your outline is ready, it's time to write the content. This is where ChatGPT shines. You can generate entire sections of your course or ebook by providing detailed prompts. The AI will create comprehensive content that you can then edit and refine. This method drastically reduces the time it takes to produce high-quality educational material. After writing, you'll need to design and publish your course or ebook. For courses, you can use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Thinkific to host your content. For ebooks, consider publishing on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or your own website. ChatGPT can even help with creating promotional materials and course descriptions to attract students or readers. Marketing is crucial for the success of your digital products. Use ChatGPT to generate marketing copy, social media posts, and email campaigns. By leveraging the AI's ability to create persuasive content, you can effectively promote your course or ebook to target your audience and drive sales. Pricing your course or ebook depends on the value that it provides and the market demand. Courses can range from $50 to $500 depending on the depth and complexity of the material. Ebooks typically sell for $10 to $50. With ChatGPT's help, you can produce high-quality content quickly, allowing you to create multiple products and generate significant revenue. Consulting and personalized services are yet another way to leverage ChatGPTs for high earnings. Whether you're offering business advice, personal coaching, or technical support, ChatGPT can assist you in delivering these services efficiently. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer consulting services and use ChatGPT to support your work. For instance, if you're a marketing consultant, ChatGPT can help you analyze market trends, generate strategic recommendations, and create detailed reports for your clients. Coaching is another area where ChatGPT can be incredibly useful. Whether you're a life coach, career coach, or fitness coach, you can use ChatGPT to generate personalized advice, create action plans, and even track progress. The AI can help you deliver a more customized and efficient service, which clients are often willing to pay a premium for. If you're in the tech industry, offering technical support or troubleshooting services is another great way to use ChatGPT. The AI can assist in diagnosing issues, providing solutions, and even writing code snippets or scripts. This can save you time and allow you to handle more clients, increasing your hourly earnings. Consulting and coaching services typically command higher hourly rates, often between $100 and $300 per hour, depending on your expertise and the value that you provide. By using ChatGPT to enhance your services, you can deliver more value in less time, justifying these higher rates. Once you've started earning with ChatGPT, the next step is to expand your business. Here's how you can scale up and increase your income even further. Automation is key to scaling your business. Integrate ChatGPT with other tools like Zapier, Google Docs, and CRM systems to automate repetitive tasks. This allows you to handle more clients and projects without sacrificing quality. As your business grows, consider building a team. You can delegate tasks like editing, client communication, and project management while you focus on higher-level strategy and client acquisition. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for your team, helping them work more efficiently and effectively. Expand your offerings by introducing premium services. For example, you could offer a VIP package that includes additional consulting sessions, priority support, or personalized content creation. Premium services can significantly boost your earnings and attract higher-paying clients. And finally, diversify your income streams. In addition to freelancing, consider creating digital products, offering workshops, or launching a subscription service. By having multiple sources of income, you can increase your financial stability and growth potential. And there you have it, your complete guide to earning $100 per hour using ChatGPT for free. Whether you're offering freelance services, creating digital products, or consulting, the opportunities are endless. The key is to leverage ChatGPT's power to enhance your productivity and deliver exceptional value to your clients. So what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT today and watch your earnings soar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on making money online. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. See you in the next video.